awareness and resourcefulness. It's a resourceful or showing of cleverness, especially in practical matters. They call it shrewd. Sometimes when you hear the word shrewd, it looks like it's a bad word. No, it's not a bad word. Shrewd is a clever person, awarenessness and resourcefulness. So this is disposed or marked by artful or cunning practices or very tricky person. Now, usually some words that is good for our ears or bad to our ears, sometimes we will say, oh, that word is so rude. Sometimes when you use it in a sentence, maybe it's good. Okay? So I thought this word shrewd was something like a reverse of rude when I heard it, but it's not. Shrewd is about a very resourceful person, because the topic for tonight is that this person is very, very wise, and then he uses his cunningness or resourcefulness, and maybe we can see, because what happened to this guy, but on this parable of Jesus Christ, this parable is the most we can say is the most difficult parable, or a little bit misunderstood by many, because of what happened is that this parable says that the owner of the business, or maybe the manager or the owner, is that he has this guy who is doing in the old system, like in Israel during those times, is that the Romans are the one. Okay, let's see, because in a during Roman occupation of Israel, is that most of these Israeli, or some of the Jews, are the one who is doing the, what do you call this, tax collection. Okay, so now most of these tax collector, most of the Jews, they hate them, because they are the one who is doing this, charging people. Now, this guy is not about, he didn't mention here, but I think this is about the business. And then the owner or the manager, the topic, the person is the manager, and then the owner. Now, the owner, or like we call it right now, CEO, or something, the highest on the manager, because the manager is not the highest